Welcome back to the channel, toy fans. I've had another delivery. I can't wait to open it. It's from Comics and Cocktails, so let's see what it is. Hey guys, Comics and Cocktails has sent me this box. It's in some McFarlane packaging, but it's definitely not McFarlane DC Multiverse White Knight Joker. It's definitely not that. So Comics and Cocktails, if you don't already know, is another UK toy selling site that you can order all your pre-orders and everything from. A great site. Unfortunately, they were broken into, so hopefully you guys have got it all back up on your feet. So if you do want to go over and throw them some love and support, Comics and Cocktails, link below. Guys, I had trouble ordering the website, wouldn't load, had issues, went straight onto Comics and Cocktails. Within literally 2 minutes, this was ordered, banged, and then within a couple of days, dispatched out to me. I think it was Monday I paid for this, and it's already arrived. And it's Wednesday today that I'm actually filming this, so I'm hoping this is going to come out in a few days. Absolutely cannot wait. Oh, this is like a figure that I was dying to get hold of, and I was really worried again that it wasn't going to be coming out in the UK. Right, let's get it open and let's see what we've got. So I had to take a peek in it earlier. So I have to say, again, Comics and Cocktails, guys, your packaging is unreal. Appreciate that. So let's get the tissue out of the way and get this bad boy out of the box. So as you can see here, it has all come completely bubble wrapped up. Probably slightly see what it is, so let's get this open. Guys, if you haven't already, after the video I will put a link up at the end of the video to my unboxing of the Megazord. Make sure you check that out. Again, another awesome, like this shows you that they care about their product. This is from a company that knows and cares about toys. So here we go. There we go, guys. As you can see there, Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Lord Drakkon Evolution 3. I believe this was supposed to be a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. If I got that wrong, I'm very, very sorry, but I believe that was the case. And obviously San Diego never came about, so I just assumed, I wasn't too sure what was going to be happening with it, but let alone be stuck up on Comics Cocktails. I think In Demand had it, a few people had it, but I managed to get this one from Comics Cocktails. Oh, I'm just in awe of it at the moment. So we've got little tapings in all the corners, so we'll give the bottoms a little slice and dice. So we can free this bad boy. Now, if you guys aren't fully aware, Lord Drakkon is the evil version of Tommy Oliver, the Green Ranger. Now, in this alternative reality from the Boom Studios comic line, this Tommy does not become a good guy. So in the Shattered Grid, he then goes off and tries to basically kill Rangers from a different multiverse and basically consume their morphers, and this is what he ends up looking like at the very, very end. This is awesome. This is cool. Now, I'm just looking how to get this bad boy out. It even comes with a comic on the back there. I'm not too sure if that's anything. Is it a comic or is it just a print? Oh, I think it might just be a print. So I can't get it down, but if you see up there, I've got the original Drakkon when he's in white, and this is him in the black outfit after consuming all the morphers. And I think he steals the heart of the morphing grid, which I think is what that symbol is in the middle. So let's cut him open, let's get him out, let him breathe. Now, probably have people out there shouting not to open him, but I use these figures for toy photography and all that sort of stuff, so I'm happy to open these ones. As you can see there, the box doesn't flip up completely, so let's just be really gentle with it. I do want to keep the box, I do want to re-package it. The box work is just art itself. So here we go, the Ranger itself there. Oh, just where to start? He looks awesome. So he's got an older Tommy head there. You can see, might be able to see in there, he's got the black cracking to the face. That's the toll on his body from the from taking the morphers on. Just trying to work out best way of getting this bad boy out. A pair of scissors, that might be a lot easier. So I'm just being very, very careful, trying not to cut the green lightning, because that would not be cool. Cool, I think that's the lightning release. So we go, lightning in one part. Okay, so the lightning comes in two parts. Hopefully I haven't ripped it. I think I have. So let's, no, I don't think I have. I think it's because it comes with a base here. Let's cut these bits. Lots of ties holding stuff down. Oh, so these not come off. Oh, okay. Pretty sure they did. Anyway, as you can see here, it comes with a set of Rangers helmets. As you see, they're all cracked, bruised, destroyed. I like that aesthetic to it. Will look good on the. If these, I was kind of hoping these came off, because it would look cool to add these to the Rangers to give them a bit of battle damage. Pretty sure they do. I have to double check that. He's got a couple of ties. See if we can get this guy low. So it looks like he's only tied in. He's not. So you don't have to get all this plastic out. It's just really, really awkward. Right, that's got it there. Loads and loads of ties. It's tied in everywhere. Damaging the packaging. There we go. He's free of his chains. So there you go. There he is, up close. As you can see, he's got the new design. Still got the classic gold shield. Got the black suit. Legs are a bit bent out here at the bottom. So you've got the knee joints. Rockers on the up and down movement on the ankles. That one needs its good cracking. Thigh swivels. Butterfly joints on the arms, elbows, wrists with wrists joints as well. They can obviously be popped out. Oh man, this figure is going to be so cool to take out and use for pictures. So what else we got? We got his helmet there. Hopefully that's sort of not focused in too good. Get that one. He also comes with a cape. There we go. So he's come with a hard plastic cape. So let's take his head off. I don't really want him looking like Tommy. I want him with his Drakkon helmet on. Seems to not want to pop in. There we go. Oh no. Come on. There we go. Looks a lot better now. We can stick his cape on, because all good bad guys need a cape. So they've just got these thicker bits there that just push in. Give it a little bit of TLC, a little bit of love. There we go. Guys, I really think you guys should be watching the Boom. Reading the Boom comics, the Shattered Grid comics. It is really good. If they ever did a movie of it or a TV series of it, that would be definitely be awesome. It's got a few accessories here, so we can get these out. So you've got 2 extra hands, the sort of standard evil sort of grasping hands, as all evil characters should have. And then he also comes with Saba, which is a bit weird because in the comics, spoiler alerts, so skip this next few seconds, he actually rips the head off and makes the sword even longer by infusing weapons from other Power Rangers into the sword. That probably would have been a bit more cooler than the Saba. Technically he doesn't have that. So that's it, out of the box. So we've got this here. I'm guessing one of the lightnings, or is that supposed to go in there? It's supposed to go in there. So look. Oh, okay, so the actual, yeah, so it looks like the Ranger helmets can come off and be attached to the lightning somehow. Let's see. That's what it seems to be from the box. I'm not sure where. Come on. Ah, there we go, yeah. So, guessing this just goes around. I'm not too sure why that block's there. Again, there's nothing on here. Unless it's on this. Come on. Just try to be very careful just to not destroy the box. Come on. No, it's just a bit of card. Doesn't really show anything. just seems the lightning just wraps around him. So what? Guessing. It doesn't really fit in there. So that doesn't go in there. He's got no grips on it for the. So what goes in there? There is little holes on here for the lightning. Just take all the helmets off for a second. See what we can do. Right, okay, so there's clips. Okay, so the yellow one has pulled out its so the yellow one's supposed to stay on there? Right. This is a bit complicated, isn't it? Good advertisement for Hasbro. You just stick the lightning in these sort of bits in here. Kind of not sure what's going on here, guys. Guess it is just supposed to sit there around this. But then, where is this supposed to go? This looks like it should be standing up as well. One of these got a clip in it? The worst toy review ever. Brought to you by Empire Toys 1138. I really don't know how this goes together. I might have to look it up online. But there you go, guys. The Lord Drakkon Evolution 3. Pros, it's an awesome looking figure. Cons, I have no idea how it goes together. But still that, it does look good. It does look awesome. I'll probably play around with it a bit more off camera. But and get it out for some toy photography. Oh man. He does look awesome. He does just look so awesome. There you go, guys. The Lord Drakkon Evolution 3. Thank you for watching. I will try and get this to go back together and hopefully put a picture in round about now. But if not, you know, good luck with yourself. Let me know in the comments below how you got it to work. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it a lot. Like the video, help the YouTube algorithm, help the channel grow. I appreciate it all. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon for another video. Cheers.